Good morning mga classmates, and kumusta? 12 hours pass. Actually na-ban naman talaga si TikTok eh. 12 hours yung naging ban. And after the 12 hours, bumalik siya.
TikTok was actually banned in the United States, and as you can see, I can no longer access.
And as of today, TikTok is back.
Well, that didn't last long.
The show here. As you know, we have been fighting to protect the constitutional right to free speech for the more than 170 million Americans who use our platform every day to connect, create, discover, and achieve their dreams. On behalf of everyone at TikTok and all our users across the country, I want to thank President Trump for his commitment to work with us to find a solution that keeps TikTok available in the United States.
Thanks to Donald Trump. And ito yung mga surprising na nangyari. Nagkaroon ng Facebook account sa TikTok na naka-blue check.
TikTok comes back, and then Facebook create an account on TikTok.
Breaking news, Facebook is now on TikTok.
At the same time, naban yung CapCut sa USA. So marami ring haka-haka kung sino ba yung naging CEO.
TikTok CEO Shou removed his bio the other day on TikTok where it says CEO of TikTok, and Mr. Beast has now put the CEO of TikTok on his, which is very interesting indeed.
Well, actually si Mr. Beast, bago nag-ban yung TikTok, ito yung video niya.
I'm on a private jet right now, about to put in my official offer for this platform. I might become your guys' new CEO. I'm super excited.
And after that, may pangalan na sa profile niya na CEO of TikTok. Shout out sa pinsan ko, Jopet Rodriguez. Salamat sa comment, and sa dalawa dyan sa taas, shout out. Thank you sa comment. Additional engagement na rin yan. Thank you. And another theory na lumabas is siguro gusto nilang baguhin yung algorithm. I mean, the algorithm is telling stories so fast that they can't delete. So, naban siguro na saglit, 12 hours. Binago nila ang algorithm.
The theory why they actually took down TikTok for that little period.
Why?
Apparently, like, they didn't even have to ban, or they didn't have to take it down.
Okay.
Because they never got like a notice from the government saying, yo, let's take it down. So them taking it down was almost the litmus test to see how it would go.
Okay.
If that makes sense to you.
Yeah.
Now, the theory is, the reason they did that though was because there's too many real conspiracies on the app that were becoming way too popular.
Okay.
And they just wanted to reset everybody's algorithm.
May mga live, no? Na nag-countdown, na maalam na goodbye TikTok. Yung mga streams na yun nawala. I tried searching for that streams. So medyo nawala siya, na-erase yung sa algorithm yung mga videos na ganun. And I'm following 3. Tatlo yung idol ko pagdating sa conspiracy theory. Although hindi naman siya nawala, but I'm having a hard time searching them. Hindi na siya masyadong lumalabas sa FYP ko at saka sa following. So I have to search and check kung naka-follow pa rin ba ako. Times like this, I really hate the idea na yung parang nananalo yung Matrix. So kaya nga minsan, sarap umuwi sa bukid. Walang babayaran sa tubig, walang babayaran sa kuryente. Off the grid, hindi ka makawag-online kasi nga wala nang signal. So, I really love the place. Kaya, kayo nang bahalang humusga kung ano nung nangyari sa TikTok. And God bless. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.